Boston ripping rollers. Here's my coop floor. It's 8 by 12. I have all the wood right there. Wood right there. Wood right there. I believe I have all the wood, but I have to get some 1-inch wire to divide it. I'm gonna put 3 kit boxes in. I'm gonna have them sticking out like a 1.5 feet, so I'll have the room to walk in here, have my breeding cages. I'm gonna put a window on each kit box, and then on the back wall I'm gonna have 3 windows, and then one in the front. I'm gonna have a pitched roof. I'm gonna have a fan in it, well, 2 fans at the peak, blowing air in and blowing air out. I just want a lot of ventilation, so when I'm in there, I don't get too much bird dust. But here's the T111 that I bought. Cost me over $1,000. This is the front and back. The side walls are over there under the green top. The roof is over there. I got this aluminum that I'm gonna be putting underneath the coop, so any rodents try to get in, they'll be scratching at the aluminum. I'll be putting it underneath the floor. I gotta put a few more joists going across to make the floor more solid, you know. And I'm gonna put it 2 cinder blocks high up. Try to protect from any animals chewing the bottom of the floor, you know. I stained it so I wouldn't have to worry about the rain. It's more 2x6s. Should have them underneath the top, but not feeling too good lately. Here's the birds. They all just about came down. I think I'm flying 13 or 14 of them now. You know. Yeah. I'm hoping that guy, Vinny, that held my birds, will give me the rest of my birds. We'll see. He's been giving to me in drips and drabs. You know. I think he's got another 30 of my birds. I like to get them. But all I got is a small coop. I really don't have a place to put them. But if he gave them to me, I'd build another small coop to be able to hold them till this coop's built, you know. Let's see if he's an honorable guy and he gives me back my birds. That would be nice. He was nice enough to help me out. I just hope he's nice enough to give me my birds back. And this is how we're rolling right now at Boston Ripping Rollers. And I was thinking about purchasing a couple more birds. I'd like to put some lace into my family of birds, and some Andalusians, some color birds, and mix it into my birds, you know. But I gotta get some good color birds that spin, you know. I don't want to be throwing junk into my birds. I started this family 2018, and I've been mixing all bloodlines into these birds to get these birds. And last year would have been my best year, but I had a flood, I had a heart attack. Now I'm at the new house in Woburn. It's nice here. Hoping to get everything going soon, so next year I can be in competition. Maybe this fall I can get into some of the flies. I like being competitive. I like seeing other people's birds, see how they're doing. But yeah, we'll walk over to the coop here, my little coop. This is what I got going on. I'm flying some of these don't go out. I already know what they do, and they're proven breeders, good breeders. I got youngsters off them last year, but I had to give them to this guy Vinny because I had a flood in my house. So they were coming in really good, you know. But I had to lose them. I gave them to him. I'm just trying to get my breeders back off him so I can get busy again. I got a helmet in here that's leaving today. That goes to my friend. He had me purchase it for him. He's looking for a hen. If anybody's got a helmet hen he's looking for. But he doesn't want to pay thousands of dollars for it. I got that for $10. And it's a nice looking helmet, you know. So if anybody's got a helmet out there, like 10, 15 bucks, he's willing to buy it, you know. Yeah. I purchased these up at the Buy Swap. 10 bucks a piece, 20 bucks. They just really look nice, that pair of whites. I think each one of them got a black feather in them. I want to fly them. I'm going to break those in, see how they do. If they do nothing, I'll get rid of them. This cockbird produced a lot of good birds. I lost this hen. She was a red saddle, bald head. There's one of the Jimmy Johnson birds right there. And right here comes from Jimmy Johnson. Then I got a lot of Eddie DeMarino birds. I love Eddie's birds. I mean, they produce good spinners. Most of these birds got his bloodline in them. If I didn't get my birds back this time, I would have stood with the DeMarino birds. You know, I haven't really seen much of anything from anybody else but Eddie. You know. Nah, I got some real nice stuff. You gotta have graded floors. Even in my big coop, I'm gonna have graded floors. I mean, that's the best way. You know, I think graded floors are the way to go. I mean, I put graded floors even in my breeding boxes. You yeah, they want to come in. I sit there waiting. If I shake the feet, oh, that little lavender. I got this lavender from Eddie Marino. Oh, it just just disappeared. I'm gonna focus on it. Yeah, the bird's already spinning. It's really young. I mean, it bounced in the yard the other day, but yeah, you know, you're trying to get back into the situation. Like I said, it'd be nice to get my other birds back, so I know where I stand instead of buying some more birds. You know, if I can get my old birds back, that would be God sent. Really like to get them back. Had a lot of nice stuff, and they were turning out very good. I was even gonna be in the World Cup, but I had the heart attack. But we'll see. We'll see how everything works out. Yeah, these lavenders I bred. I love lavenders. I think they're the prettiest color. I like lace and everything, but if you get a lavender with the frosted neck, and I like them bleached out, like with no red in them. These don't got much red, and you don't see the bars. You know, I like the barless ones with the frosted necks. I hope these turn out to be like that. I'll show you their parents right now. They got eggs in here that are about to hatch. I just put this pair together. That's a Jimmy Johnson bird that he got from Pennsylvania or something. And there's a Dan Marino bird. I like Eddie Dan Marino's lavenders. If you can see, there's like a bald head. It's light powdered blue, and it's got some ticks, and it's got a little red in it. And this is a pair. These eggs should be hatching. These are the parents. To the little lavenders I just showed you in the cage right there. Their eggs are ready to hatch. And here's a new pair I put together. That's a Dan Marino bird. And, that's a yellow that I mixed a bunch of lines in. That has Turner, Flona, Cook, damn, I got more bloodlines in that bird too. I can't just think of them right off the rip here. These are Kumaro birds. I'm gonna be sending these birds back to Tony Souza, but they are on eggs again. They had a set of eggs. The first set from the black and white hen, I threw them away because I wanted to make sure that this lavender bald head cock here was the father. So I got a couple eggs here. But the gentleman I got these birds off of, he gave me this one. And then he let me borrow this one because it's pure coumarow. And I want to put a little coumarow into my bloodline. I haven't yet. But, yeah, I'm going to bring these birds up to him. And he's got a new cock bird for her that's been pretty good. And I guess he wants to put that in his kit. I would like to own that bird. You know? But let's see what happens. He said he needs that to throw in his kit for the fly. But I really would like to own that bird. I'd really like to keep this pair going. But check the eggs. They're nice and warm. Yeah, it looks like it's got something in it. That one does. Yeah, this one's fertile too. So it's a good pair of eggs. I'm gonna talk to him and see if he'll let these birds sit on these eggs and let these birds hatch those eggs out. I wish I had a pair because I would switch them. I would take the eggs, put them under somebody. But these eggs have already been cooking for a little while. Here, under this yellow. They look like they're very close to be hatching. They're very dark. So, yeah. Yeah. Oh. That's it for me today. And Boston Rip and Roll is going to sign off. Everybody have a great day and be safe out there. I want to talk to you about a little lav hen that I got off of Eddie DeMarino. Oh, that's a DeMarino bird. Good breeder. It snuck out, so I said, what the hell, let me just keep flying it. I think that's a 2018. The little hen that I bred. No, is that a cock? No, that's another bird I got off of Eddie DeMarino. I got 4 youngsters recently from him. You know. There's a silver. Look like I got a couple little cocks out there. These birds are coming into the row really good, really early. Oh, there's that lavender that I was talking about that hit. Little bastard. Its tail's a little messed up. But all right, they're gonna come in. I'll let you guys go. Have a safe day. Boston Rip and Roll is signing out.